Good evening.
Hi. Good evening.
What are you? A moonlight butterfly?
You're a rare breed, Eunice. I should pay you top dollar.
Can pay me what I'm worth. Nay, pang-dialysis niyo po, tsaka pambili niyo ng mga gamot.
Salamat, anak. Pagpalain ka sana ng Diyos.
Valedictorian, Angeles Elementary School. Honorable mention, Angeles City National High School. Pangarap niya maging abogado.
Aha! What did I tell you? A girl after my own heart.
Chances are, she will break your heart and empty your bank account.
Pero mahal, alam mo naman, sayong-sayo lang to. Walang ibang magmamayari.
Kailangan kong dumiskarte para kumita ng pera. Trabaho, Roy. Trabaho.
Ba't di mo matawaging mahal?
Tonight, you took me to paradise, my love.
Do you really love me?
I do.
Will you marry me? Sumugot ka! Puta ka!
Puta naman talaga ako nung nakilala mo ako! Hindi kita niloko sa bagay na yan.
Remember what I called you when I first laid eyes on you?
Moonlight butterfly. Meron bang ganun?
Oh, ikaw. Paru-paro sa liwanag ng buwan.